After all this bloodbath in the last few days, don't you think it's time we have some fun? Well, I do, and that's why I'm taking you to FunFair. Have fun, and while we're at it, let's make a price prediction for this crypto of FunFair. Let's see where it could be heading in this year 2021 after the altcoin season ignites in its full glory. But before I take you to the FunFair charts and the crypto prices in the markets today, I wanna roar. Whoa, stop there for a minute. Are you telling me that after all these months you are finally fearful? You are finally shaking your hands and dropping the jaw? Well, nice. 27 on the fear and greed index. I haven't seen this for a while. Fear has come into the house and has taken the form of a dinosaur. Nah, just kidding. This dinosaur is a good one, and this dinosaur is asking you to subscribe to his channel, to click that subscribe button with white letters in a red box. It's pretty simple stuff. Click it and welcome into our crypto pack. It's completely free. But funny how sentiment changes quickly. Last week you were greedy. Today you are fearful. Maybe buying season has come. With fear, a lot of opportunities arise. How is this reflecting the top 10? Let's find out. Well, of course, after the rain always comes the sun. Green day, ladies and gentlemen. But I want to know your opinion, and I'll tell you mine. Are we in recovery phase? Are we crashing all-time highs? Have we done with the or this is just a fake out? A little bounce, for some coins bigger, for others smaller, and then resumption, or to the downside, or continuing going sideways. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna tell you my opinion. You are watching my video, so you probably are wondering what I'm about to say. And in my opinion, no, this is not a recovery. At least for Bitcoin. He still needs to purge. If you ask me, and you're not asking me but I'm saying, Bitcoin still needs either resting and going sideways or going to the downside. That is my view. For some of the altcoins it's a different story. Yes, some of those really need to do the same as Bitcoin, purge or sideways. But some of those also could go to the all-time highs, crushing it, and resume to the upside. Therefore, we could have another altcoin season. So regarding the Bitcoin and its 6% to the upside, I'm not so sure this is a move that will erase all of them the other days. I think we are still in dangerous territory. Ethereum 12%, and the biggest mover in the top 10, Uniswap, 17% to the upside. So as I said, some could be following through with his big move, and some could just be blindfolding your eyes. Don't be mistaken that even more downside is coming after these moves. I'm not some fudster. I'm just a reality guy. The guy that will come at your house, slap you in the face, and you will say, thank you. Enjoy the green day, but be careful. That's all I'm saying. And now, after this fudding and not too optimistic overview, let's have some fun. Let's head to the charts of Fun versus USD. Let's do the technical analysis of the current situation, and let's finally make it price prediction. Let's go. Welcome. FunFair versus dollar. On the weekly chart, the big scale, every candle is representing 1 week of price action. And can you see that from the March, more than 1 year ago, very silently FunFair started its up. The bull mode was on. You might have missed it. Well, now you cannot miss it anymore, cause it's pretty obvious. This was the ultimate low in the March. Since then, we made a few points support, right? On the last points of support, an explosion came, and this huge upward movement. We're still in that movement. Since we are doing this bull run, this is a simple trend line that's showing us, yes, the bull is on, you know, higher lows all the way. But since we're talking about the bull run, how about we talk about the bear run? Bear run, like that is the case. That's not even a word. Bear market, okay. This is the peak from the 2017 bubble. From that point, well, it's pretty obvious, like in any other altcoin, almost any other, downward trajectory was established. Now you might be wondering, well, when the bear ended? That's what we're here for, to show you the trend lines. Is this good enough? This trend line held fun. It was no fun time for a few years. Here in 2018 in May, it tried to get away, but no, down you go. Here in 2019 also. And here we have a breaking of this trend line, a fake rally, and one more time, what we did here. Check it out. Have we just retested one more time this downward sloping trend line before the continuation to the upside? Yes, we did. And this is how the trends work. After we break out of it, very healthy thing is to retest that downward trend line one more time. And yeah, the downward trend line really it was. And now I'm speaking like Master Yoda.
In downward trend lines, believe you must.
Well, okay, Master, you're making the point. But this is not the only trend line we need to know. If we go, again, to present day, even more important trend line is this one. Okay? Because this, ladies and gentlemen, was the real bear market of FunFair. In here, the same point where this trend line was resisted. Also, a resistance in 2019. And then, at February of last year, a huge wick and even harder resistance. At this point, we had two touches and the big resistance was established. So, in the summer of last year, one more confirmed, but not all is black. Always, after the rains, yes, as already said, the sun is coming with this huge candle, although it has a significant wick. We broke the jail, we broke the resistance, bear market was bye-bye. So, bull trend started all the way from March, but with this candle, things change definitely. And now we're living in a bull market. And yes, in that bull market, we are having a pullback. So what? Do you expect to go to the upside with no pulling back? You are expecting something like this, right? You don't want to see red, only green. That's not how the game works. Sorry to tell you that. Pullbacks on the uptrend are fairly needed, and I always say that on my channel. Don't be scared when we're pulling back. It's a good stuff, and because of this pullback, I'm especially happy for the FunFair holders. You wanna know why? I'll tell you why. Before we get into that, let me just mention something that I forgot to say. If you want your coin to be covered in the next video, check out in the description my thoughts on that matter. And if you want me now to tell you why this pullback was a good thing, listen, you know we are using exponential moving averages. This is a weekly chart, so which one will we draw? Is 21 good enough for you? I bet it is, and please, we gotta zoom this. In here, right now, today and yesterday are happening very, very important things for the FunFair. We bounced off this significant moving average dynamic support. So, if you think that the move is over, FunFair is among those coins that right now really could be resuming to the upside. If FunFair decides that this support is enough, we could be in for some serious gains, again, like we did here. So, by looking just at this picture, am I bullish on FunFair? Yes, I am. Because one more, I'm stating, if FunFair decides and could hold this support at 21 exponential moving average, a resumption to the upside is a possibility. And because of that matter, FunFair could be among those altcoins that's done with purge, that could be going to the upside. With Bitcoin, I said that is not the case. He need more purge. FunFair could be enough. Because let's be real, we retraced 58%, almost 60%. I think the FunFair gave its due. Pay the price, whatever you want to say. You know what I'm targeting at. Now, am I saying that we're all good? FunFair can't go any lower. Absolutely not. But I'm saying that FunFair is having a bullish narrative on the weekly chart, nothing more. It's stronger than dollar, that's all I'm saying. Now, if FunFair cannot hold this 21 exponential moving average, no worries. Cause yeah, I'll show you who is above us. 13 exponential moving average. He will be the resistance, so never take one side and let's say you are bull. Never take that bull side without mentioning the bad thoughts. 13 will resist the price now that we're above the 21. But we got a few of the boys holding the back for 21. You wanna know which ones? The big boys are below us. 34 exponential moving average. 55. 89. Pick your favorite. This is strong, man. We got a strong support beneath us, so no worries. For now, it looks like we don't need it, but if we do, our next level could be 34 exponential moving average, standing at 0.022. No one can predict the markets with certainty and say, no, it will not go lower, it will only go up or here. Both scenarios are always open no matter who tells you otherwise. For now, this is looking bullish without a clear bounce, but remember, 13 exponential moving average have a tendency to push us down right now, because on some occasions we served him as a support. He was the good guy. Now he is rogue. He decided to be bad. Overall, bullish stuff. And now, do you want that price prediction? Of course you do, that's why you clicked for this video. And that's why I will give you my price prediction of FunFair. After I'll remove all the stuff that's clogging my screen, I will go to the past, because this is how I do price predictions. Data from the past is telling me the future. Let's use the high of the last bull market. Let's use the low of this bear market. Let's use Fibonacci retracement tool, reverse it and get Fibonacci extensions. Simple as that. Connect this dot with this, and here we are. We got all we need. Not on the screen, but if we travel into the future, yep, now we're getting somewhere. So our all-time high below 20 cents, 19 cents. At some point we will break this level. 2021, yep, after that we got levels of 161.8, 261.8, 361.8 and 423.6%. So what's the next level? 32 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Beware and behold. After that, FunFair is traveling to 51 cents. A few weeks later maybe, at 71 cents, and I'm telling you right now that FunFair in 2021 could be hitting 83 cents. So what's 80? 83 cents right now, 3 cents. The same year, probably the end of the year, possibility of 83 cents. Is that a good investment or what? You decide. If you think this is too bullish for FunFair, I think not. I even think that 83 cents is a conservative approach. If the stars align, this level is easily achievable. So think about it. Are you participating in this crypto revolution? If you're not, what are you waiting for? Lower levels? Better entries? Could be. Then again, could not. Also, I got a question for you. What are you waiting with those likes? Have you smashed the like? Have you put the thumbs up? If you haven't, do that thing right now. It's helping me, it's supporting my channel. And if you want content like this, why wouldn't you support my channel, right? While you're at it, well, how about watching those videos that I'm presenting to you right now? In there we're also making all sorts of price predictions and technical analysis. It's our game. And let's play games. It is a FunFair. Choose your game, pick your winner. Bye!